Hello people, it's Rizzo with a fair back from the video, and this time it deals with the game Superstar Racing again, and this time the issue is lack of funding. Seriously, the game just doesn't have enough funds, guys. I'm joking. This time the issue deals with the game not being able to download for some people. I'll go through a few reasons why that's happening. One being Antivirus. Two, some of the program which you probably don't know as an antivirus is what's causing it, preventing the game from dying. The third reason is probably an extension from your browser. So you should probably check your browser extensions, yeah. So I'm going to start with the search control panel. Go to system and security. I'm not really sure the person who's watching this what operating system you have, but this video is probably for you too if you don't have a Windows operating system. Yep. Okay. Windows Firewall. Let's see. Turn Firewall on off. Basically, but that's not what I'm looking for here. Alright, so that took me a while to get. I'm going to do a search. Since I can't really get to the place where I want to get, Windows Defender. I'm going to start with that. Basically, my antivirus is already turned on. Now I'm going to go to the Superstar Racing site, which is superstarracing.net. It should be open. Yep. Download. And there you go. The first sign that obviously the game probably has something, virus or something. That's probably why any antivirus would block it. So anyway, if you want to stop that, just uncheck this box, download the game again. It's allowed now. That's done with. Final thing, we're going to do a search command error. msconfig, go to services, and you're definitely going to have to do some searching here. Look for a service that might be preventing your game from downloading. Any game basically. Let's see. Heck. Alright, today. So after you found your services, the service that probably might be the reason as to why your game is downloading, uncheck the box, click apply, then OK. Then you probably have to restart your computer, then try reinstalling the game game file again, and should probably work.